Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, for today's video we're going to be making seafood okra soup. Guys, this okra soup is everything. It turned out to be amazingly tasty. Like, it's just everything, my dears. It's everything. My darlings, if you want to see how I made this mouth-watering seafood okra, please, sweethearts, keep watching. Guys, for our main ingredients, here I have some fried mackerel fish. Now, if you do not like to fry your fish, guys, you can just boil it, but I just can't eat boiled fish. I either fry or I grill. Now, you can also use any kind of fish that you want to. You can use barracuda, you can use tilapia, you can use any brand of fish. Okay, now guys, and here I have my crab. It's seafood after all. You want that sea in your one pot. Here I have my shrimps and I've already descaled some. Right here I have some squid. I have washed this properly and it's ready for consumption. And my iru. Okay, you can skip this if you do not like iru. Here I have some grounded or blended crayfish. Here I have my stock fish. Okay, and right here I have my dry catfish, the one I smoked myself. If you do not know how to, I have the recipe on this channel, so you can just click on the notification, or I'm going to leave a link up here. Okay, so please click on it and learn how to dry your own catfish at home. Guys, right here is our blended peppers. Okay, and I have some additional Scotch bonnet. I love heat, you guys know that by now. And here I have my chopped spinach. You can see how beautifully I cut my spinach. Okay, and guys, here I have my okra. Okay, and you can see how we chopped our okra. Now, I chopped my okra in 3 batches, or in 3 different ways, let's say. You can see how I did it like this, and this is the other way that I chopped it. It's not very smooth. Okay, and here it's very smooth. You can see it. Now, I want my okra to not only be really thick, but I want it to really draw in coat. Okay guys, so guys, I'm just going to start. Let's get cooking. Guys, please, once your pot is hot enough, you want to add in some red oil. Okay, and this is how my red oil looks like. Okay, now I'm just going to add a generous amount. Okay, and then fry or add in my onions, fry for 1 minute 30 seconds, and then fry my iru. Add my iru. Okay, and guys, please just add in your iru after 1 minute 30 seconds of frying your onions. And you want to fry your iru for another 1 minute, okay, before adding your peppers. Okay, and you want to fry your peppers until they're really fried. Now this I'm going to fry for 15 minutes. Okay guys, rather than use a pot cover to cover your pot, please use a splatter guard. Okay, because you want your stew to fry faster. You do not want to boil your stew, you want to fry it. If you're living in Poland, you can get this from Carrefour at a very reasonable price, but if you live out of Poland, you can order it on Amazon. Okay guys, so just fry your stew until fried. Guys, after 5 minutes my peppers are ready. Please bear in mind that if you fry your peppers or if you add tomatoes when blending your peppers, this is going to take longer. And I'm just going to add my crayfish at this. You want to now add all of your seafood. Okay, the prawns, the crab, the squid, And also you want to add your stockfish. Okay, so just add all of that. Add some peppers, okay, because I want the peppers to boil. Add your salt, Maggi, and then add some water, and you want to leave this to cook, okay, for another 5 minutes. If you have meat broth, okay, or stock, you can use it, but I do not have it, so I'm just going to use plain water. Guys, after 5 minutes you want to start adding your okra. Okay, now I'm just going to add all of the ones that I roughly chopped. Okay, and then for the ones that we really blended it, you want to add it little by little. So I'm just going to add only half of what I blended, and if later on I see that it hasn't drawn enough, okay, or it's not drawing enough, like drawing in coats, then I'm going to finish the last one. Okay guys, so yeah, you want to let this cook for 3 minutes. Okay, and guys, after 3 minutes you want to start adding your fish and your catfish. Okay, so I'm just going to add all my fish and then add the vegetables, because after this you don't want it to cook for more than 5 minutes. Okay guys, so yeah. So I'm just going to now add my vegetables. Add in your vegetables. Please leave this to cook for about 3 minutes. Okay, at least you want the spices to get into the fish that we just added lastly. Okay, this is going to be the end of this video. I want to say thank you so much to each and every one of you. To all my new subscribers, welcome. I really appreciate. I love you guys so much. Here we are a family where you will be loved. Okay, anything you want, any recipe that you want me to do for you, please just leave a comment down below. Okay guys, and guys, if you are my strong supporter, okay, of course all my subscribers are my strong supporters, right? Thank you guys so much for your love, your support. I really appreciate. I can't say or I can emphasize how much I'm appreciative of your love. Okay guys, you can see the end result. Don't you like what you're seeing? If you're on a diet, my darlings, this is the best recipe for you. But instead of frying the fish, just boil it. Okay, now if you're also catering, this is also a very good recipe. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you loved it. Please try this recipe and give me a feedback. Tell me how yours stand out. Okay guys, and while you're at it guys, I love you guys so much. Again, I can't stop telling you guys how much I love and appreciate all that you do. Okay, please my darlings, take care of yourselves and may God continuously bless you. Bye bye.